Good morning, students. Today I am going to start that lesson continuation. Copper. Copper is the first metal that prehistoric man has started using for many purposes. Being flexible, it can be made into utensils of any shape. Brass and bronze are obtained when the copper alloy with zinc tin respectively. Copper has been commonly used for making cooking utensils and other objects of common utility. In modern days, it is extensively used in vast variety of electrical machinery, wires and cables. So these are all for the uses of the copper. See the next para. Largest reserves of copper ore is in the state of Rajasthan, followed by Jharkhand and Madhya Pradesh. The state of Andhra Pradesh, Gujarat, Haryana, Karnataka, Maharashtra, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Odisha, Sikkim, Tamil Nadu, Telangana, Uttarakhand, and West Bengal for 7.9% of the total copper reserves of India. See the next, the blue color box, Hindustan Copper Limited. Every minerals, it have one organization from the government side. Likewise, the copper, it have one organization. So the Hindustan Copper Limited is a government owned corporation in the central public enterprises under the Ministry of Mines in India. Next major minerals, bauxite. Bauxite is an important ore from which aluminium is extracted. It is found in the rock consisting mainly of hydrated aluminium oxides. Bauxite is widely distributed as a surface deposits in the areas of laterite soil, being light in weight and tough. Aluminium is used in the manufacture of aircraft and automobile engines. Bauxite is also used in the manufacturing of cements and chemicals. See the do you know box? Bauxite is an oxide of aluminium. The name has been derived after the French word le box. See the next para. The main bauxite deposits ore in Odisha, Gujarat. In this Gujarat, the following districts are Junagadh, Amreli, Bhavanagar districts, and Jharkhand. The following districts it will be produced more: Ranchi, Gumila districts. Then Maharashtra, Sindhudurg and Ratnagiri, and Chhattisgarh, Balarpur and Durg districts, and Tamil Nadu also it will be produced the bauxite. The National Aluminium Company Limited, abbreviated as NALCO, incorporated 1981. It will organized this type of organization. It's found 1981. Has units in Odisha at a place like Angul and Damonjodi. It was incorporated as a public sector enterprises of the Ministry of Mines, Government of India in 1981. So up to this we learned the metallic minerals. Next topic we want to see the non-metallic minerals. These minerals do not contain metal in them. Mica, limestone, gypsum, nitrate, potash, dolomite, coal, petroleum, etc. are the non-metallic minerals. So these are all minerals. There is no metals. Only it have the minerals. So let we see the first one, major minerals of the non-metallic, mica. In ancient time, mica was used in Ayurvedic medicines. Mica became very popular with the development of electric industry. Abark is a good quality mica. In this mica, it is a variety of abark. It is translucent, easily splittable into this thin sheet, flat, colorless, elastic, and incompressible. The mica is used in making of insulating properties as it withstands high voltage and has low power loss factors. Since it is a non-conductor of electricity, it is exclusively used in electrical goods. It is also used in making of lubricant, medicines, paints and varnish. The major deposits of mica are found in Andhra Pradesh, Rajasthan, Odisha and Jharkhand. Next major non-metallic minerals, limestone. Limestone is associated with the rocks composed of either calcium carbonate or the double carbonate of calcium and magnesium or mixture of both. Limestone also contains the small quantities of silica, aluminum, iron oxide, phosphorus and sulfur. Limestone is used in industries of chemicals for soda ash, caustic soda, bleaching powder, paper, cement, iron and steel, glass and fertilizer. The major producing areas Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Meghalaya, Gujarat and Chhattisgarh. Okay student, thank you. For next class we will start the non-metallic minerals gypsum.